Hey friends, let's do Ballad of Jayne guitar lesson by L.A Guns. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And we'll do the main solo at the end. And with this song we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a semitone. Let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we just start on the A string, 3, slide up to 5. Play the 3rd fret on the B string, open G, and then come back and play the open G, 1st fret on the B together. And just do that 2 times. And again. And the 3rd time we do it again, 3, slide up to 5, 3, open, 1 and open. Then to finish it off, just play the B string, 1, pull off to the open, and then the open G. So that last time through. And that's our intro there. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on this G chord. We're going to play 3rd fret E, 2nd on the A, open D, then play an up, up, down, up. So then go to the C, do 2 downs. Then on the up, play the open E, the 1st fret on the B, and pull off that 1st fret to the open. Then just play open G, open D, 2nd fret on the B, and then we're back to the G again. E3, A2, open D, then just do an up on the G chord and play 3 on the B, open G, open D, and then to finish it off, open D again, 3rd fret on the B, open G, 1st fret on the B, open G together, so it's similar to our intro, and then 1st fret on the B, pull off to the open, and then open G there. So let me play that slowly for you. We just do that 3 times for the verse here. Then we have our pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on a D, play the open D, play the G, the B, the E, back to the B, back to the G, then do that again, open D, G, B, this time play the 2nd fret E, 3rd fret E, pull off to the 2nd fret, back to the B, back to the G. So let's do that part slowly. So we've got the D to the D sus4, doing the pull off there. Now we're going to an E minor 7 here, but we don't have to put our fingers on it all. We're just got open E to G, B, E, back to B, back to G, open D, and then we're going to a C chord, 3rd fret on the A, open G, 1st on the B, open E. And that's our pre-chorus there. Play it slowly. And that's our pre-chorus. Then we have our chorus. Let me play that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons each week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting on this G chord, 4th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the E, 3rd on the B, back to 4 on the G, and do that again, E, B, G, and then finish on the E. So we have. Then just come up to the 5th fret on the G string and do exactly the same thing. 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, E, and do that 3 times. Then from there we're just going back to the 4th 3 again and do that another time. Now the last one we do the 5 on the G, 3 E, 3 B, 5 on the G, go back to the E, 3, B, 3, G, 5, and then play the open G, and then just strum on the D chord there. So that last part slowly. And that's our chorus there. From there we just go back to the intro, we play that exactly the same, and we have this little solo part over that intro again. So let me do that for you. So we're just doing a bend on the G string 2nd fret, play the 3rd fret on the B, do a bend again on 2nd fret G, bend it, release it, pull off to the open, and then just play the open G again. And that's our first little fill there. From there, the acoustic guitar just goes back to the verse and does that exactly the same, and then we have these little fills on the electrics. Let's go through those. We play that first fill. So we're just playing open E, 3rd fret on the B, open B, doing a bend on 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B, do that again, bend 2nd fret G, 3rd fret on the B, bend on the 2nd fret on the G, release and pull off to the open. And that's that first fill. Now let's do the second fill. So we're just starting 3E, 5B, and then play the 5B again, 3E, 5B, and then go 3B, 4 on the G, do a bend on 2 on the G, 3 on the B, and then play 3E, open B, do a bend on the 2nd fret G, and just play open G. So slowly. Now let's have a look at the last little fill in that verse. So this time we're playing 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, slide up 2 frets, then just play 3rd fret on the E and the B, open G, 2nd fret G, slide up to 4, 3 on the B, and then finish on the open D, and that's where the pre-chorus starts there, so slowly. And then from there we just have the pre-chorus, and we play that exactly the same on the clean guitar. We have a heavy guitar kick in on the E minor, so we're just playing the E minor, just playing the 2nd fret on the D, open G, B and E, then play open D and 3rd fret on the A. And that's all it's doing in that pre-chorus. Then we have the clean guitar for the next chorus, and we play that for you. It's only the end that's different. So we're coming from our 5 on the G, 3E, 3B, 5 on the G, open G, and then just strum D, and then we're playing 2nd fret E, 3rd fret, pull off the 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the B, 2nd on the G. So strum the D again. Now this time play 2nd fret on the E, 5th fret on the E, pull off to the 2nd fret, 3rd on the B, 2nd on the G, strum the D again, and then do the first one again. And then just strum D. And that's our clean guitar there. Then from there we're going back to the intro, and let's do our heavy guitar over that chorus. So pretty easy, we're just playing a D power chord, and the first time put the A open string and then just play the D power chord 3 more times. And then we have this little solo over the top there, so we play that for you. So we're just playing 14 on the G, 15 on the B, 14 on the E, 15, back to 14, 15 on the B, 14 on the G. Do that again, 14, 15, 14E, then play 17E, 15E, 14E, back to 15 on the Bs. Then to finish off, 14G, 15 on the B, 14 on the E, 15 two times on the E, then go back to 14 on the E, hammer onto 15, pull off to 14, 15 on the B, and then play the open D, 14 on the G, 15 on the B together. And that's our little solo there. From there we go back to the intro with the clean guitar, then we have the solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's look at the guitar behind the solo. So our strumming pattern is just our standard down, down, up, down, up, and we do G for a bar, C for a bar. Then we're doing G for 3 counts, do the D, and then back to C for half a bar. And do that 2 times there. Then go to A minor for a 3 count. Go to C over B, and then to C for a bar. G for 2 bars. Do that again, the A minor, C over B to C, and then just D for a bar, and then just strum D once and hold for a bar, 2, 3, 4. And that's our clean guitar there behind the solo, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we go back to the intro with our clean guitar, and we have another little solo part over that. So we're just bending 14 on the G, play 15E, 15B, do the 14 bend again on the G, bend, release, pull off to 12. And that's a little fill there. From there we go back to the verse again, and our acoustic guitar's doing exactly the same. And then again we have these little fills on the clean guitars. Let's do those. So we're just starting on the G, 2 pull off to the open. D2, open G, D2. Then play 2nd fret on the D, pull off to open. 2nd fret A, open D, 2nd fret A, 3rd fret on the E. That's the first fill, then we have the second fill. This time B string 3, hammer onto 5. E string 3 2 times, do that again. Have 5th fret E, bend 2 times, and then just 3rd fret E. And we have the next fill. So we're just bending 14G, holding 15B, then just bend again on 14G, and again, and then just play 12G. Then the last little fill, we're just going to play 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, and bend that 2nd fret there. And they're all the fills for the verse. So we just play the D power chord, and then 2nd fret D, open D, 2nd fret A, open A, do an E power chord, then we finish with these octave chords, 5 on the A, 7 on the G, mute the D, and just go back to the C. 2 octave chords there. And that's our heavy part. Then we have the last chorus. So then for our last chorus, we're just playing it the same as our previous choruses. Up to the 5. This time when we go to the D, we're going to play a D over F sharp for a bar. Then we're going to do D sus4 over F sharp for a bar. E minor for a bar. And C for a bar. And then just go back to the chorus again. play the 4 on the G, 3 on the B and the E. And then we have our second guitar there as well. So we just play the D chord, then play the D sus4, then do our run down the same as before, D, 2, open, A, 2, open, open, E string, then do it again, 2, open, 2, open, and finish on 3rd fret A. And then we have this last little fill there, and then we'll have a look at the solo. So we're just playing B and E, 3, slide up to 5, back to 3. Start with the bend up on the 2nd fret G, release it and pull off to the open, and then play 2nd fret on the D, open D, 2nd fret on the A, open A, and finish on the G. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the solo. So we're just going to slide up to 9 on the G, play B, 8, 10, 10 bend. We stop there, then we bend again on the 10B, play 10E, and then release the bend on 10B, and then play 8, hammer onto 10, pull off the 8 on the B. Then slide up to 9G, play 8 on the B 2 times, slide up to 11G, play 10 on the B 2 times, slide up to 9G on the B, 8, 10, bend and release, and back to 8. Then we're coming up to the E string, 15, 14, 15, 17, 15, 14, 15, to the B string, 13, 12, 13, 15, 13, then go back to 12, hammer onto 13, pull off to 12, slide back to 10. Play 12 on the G, 11G, 12 on the G. Then go back to the D string, 5, slide up to 7. Play the G and B on the 5th fret, G and B on the 7th fret. Go to the G, 5, hammer onto 7, pull off to 5. Jump to the D string, 7, slide up to 9, slide back to 7. Start in the D, 5, hammer onto 7, pull off to 5, A, 7, and then A on the 5th fret, play A and D together, and then just play 5th fret on the D as an upstrumming. So. And then we do A, 5, hammer onto 7, D, 5, hammer onto 7 2 times, and finish on 5, and do that again. Then the start stays the same again, D, 5, slide up to 7, G and B, 5, 7, 5, hammer onto 7, pull off to 5, D, 7, 9, 7, D, 5, hammer onto 7, 5, and then A, 7, D, 5, 7, 5, A, 7, 5, and then play the G and the B together on the 7th fret and do a little bend and release, and then just bend on the 2nd fret G. And that's all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Ballad of Jayne Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.